Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you can see me and I'm not too ghosted out. You guys are literally on my window ledge right now because I didn't feel like setting up the whole setup today. And I wanted to do this video quick because I have a few errands to run, but I also wanted to film this video because tomorrow I'm busy all day. So yeah, I have a very special unboxing today. This is an item from my 2020 wish list. If you haven't seen that video, go check it out. I told you guys all my wish list items for 2020, and yeah, this is one of them, and it is from Louis Vuitton. I'm so excited about this piece. I don't want to give too much away, so I'm just gonna unbox it. But before we get started, I just wanted to introduce myself. My name is Scotto. I like to do videos on luxury unboxings, luxury reviews, all things luxury. So if you're in that kind of thing, then please consider to hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification button so you're notified every time that I upload a new video, which is Mondays and Thursdays. So I just wanted to talk about how I got this item. Where I live, this was nowhere to be found. It is so hard to get. Even online, it's always sold out. Do I look like a ghost right now? I hope I don't. And my voice may sound like a little weird. I don't know if I'm getting sick or whatnot. I really hope not, but I'm gonna have to get some like ginger shots or something. But anyway, I got this through my Rodeo Drive essay in California. She is amazing. I'm gonna leave her name on the screen. Go follow her on Instagram and contact her if you have anything that you've been eyeing but you can't find where you are, or if you already live in California. Literally go to her. She's so amazing. Every time she sends me something, she always sends me perfume samples, and then this time I got a little magazine, and I never got a magazine ever from Louis Vuitton, and she's just amazing. She's so kind. She's always consistent, texting me back as soon as she can, and she's just amazing. So go check her out, and if you do get something, tell her that I sent you, because I told her before I shared it with you guys. I asked her if it was okay if I could share her name, and she said yeah, absolutely, share it, no problem. So I'm glad that I was able to share her with you guys. Here is the box. It came beautifully packaged. I don't want to take off or undo the ribbon, so I'm just gonna take it off like this. Okay, here's the ribbon, the classic magnetic opening enclosure. So this is what it looks like. If you guys want to pause the video and take a guess, feel free to. So last time she sent me the multi-pochette, she sent me this perfume, and I'm literally obsessed with it. I think I've talked about it. Yeah, I've definitely talked about it in my last videos. But she sent me another sample, so love her for that. She also sent me this magazine like I was talking about before. This is the magazine she sent me. It is so cute. It just has like all the different style bags. It's just like a little magazine that has all the handbags. It features some outfits, perfumes, jewelry. I just want to show you guys this. How friggin' amazing is this? Like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but look at that. I want to go there. I want to live there. Also, I want to show you guys a really cool bag. Look how cool this bag is. Look at that. That is so cool. I love all the different colors, and it just has like pretty cool stuff. Like, this is what I want my house to look like. Just LV everywhere. Just give it to me all. Give me LV everywhere. LV wrapping paper, LV furniture, LV flooring. Give me it all. Just, this is fabulous. I love this little magazine, and I'm so happy she gave me this. So here's my receipt, but you know, nothing too extravagant about that. Here is the dust bag it comes in, and maybe by holding it like this, you guys know what it is. So what I ended up getting was dun, 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 dun. Oh my god, I have been wanting this item so bad for such a long time. You have no idea. Always sold out. This is the Louis Vuitton Toiletry Pouch 26. They have 3 sizes. They have a 15, a 19, and a 26. This is the largest pouch that they have, and it is such a great price point. And I heard LV is gonna increase their prices, so I was like, I'm gonna get this now while I can. I don't know when they're gonna increase their prices or even if that's true, but I was like, it's time. It's perfect timing. I literally asked her one day after I got my multi-pochette. I was just texting her, telling her I got it and how I loved the packaging and everything. It was just perfect. And then I asked her, do you happen to have a Toiletry Pouch 26? And she's like, I guess I do have one. So I was like, yes, can you please send it to me? So yeah, it's here with me today and I'm so happy. This is literally like my wish list item for like 2 years straight. Like, I've been looking everywhere, so it's so beautiful. And I love the fact because it is versatile. You can use this in so many different ways, and I plan on doing a video on that. But most people use it as a clutch. It is a toiletry pouch, which is for like makeup and stuff, but I will not be putting makeup in here, for one, because I'm not into makeup, and second, yeah, I just want to use it as a clutch. It is so big, you can fit so much in here. Yeah, so mine is also made in France, which I love. I'm not too picky about where it's made from, but when I mean, I'm not picky about it. I will accept things, or I will have things that are made from Spain or like USA, but if I get something from France, it's just special because, I mean, it's the origin of where LV comes from. So yeah, this says made in France. I don't know if the light is gonna allow you guys to see that. There we go. So yeah, made in France, and this is one continuous piece of canvas. So on this side it is upright, and then on the back it is upside down because it is, yeah, one piece. And what I have in here is the, okay, this is a coated fabric cowhide little paper thing. Then this is the SKU number if you guys want to look it up. There you go. And then this is just like the little tag describing what it is and everything. I'll show you guys this too. So yeah, this cost $445, which is such a great price point, and I feel like it is so popular because of that. That you could use this many different ways, and it's like a handbag. You can use it as a toiletry bag. I plan on using this as like my partial carry-on. Like, I'm gonna bring a big bag, but I know I'm gonna put all my stuff in here, and it's just perfect just to throw in my travel carry-on. So wanted to show you, this is the interior of the pouch. It is wipeable, so if you like, it is a toiletry, so if you spill any of your makeup on it or anything, it is wipeable, so it won't get dirty. You can just wipe it clean and it'll like look like this again. So I love that because I do have like perfumes and stuff, so if it does spill in here, I'm not too worried about it. The only vachetta that it has is the little tab, but everything else is leather, so I love that about it because it's like a worry-free kind of clutch. But yes, I can't wait to use this, and I definitely want to use this while I'm in Europe. I like it to go out. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I hope I wasn't too grossed out, and yeah, weird lighting, I'm sorry. Yeah, if you're looking for this or any other items, someone commented on my video saying they were looking for the mini Palm Springs backpack, and where they're at, they couldn't find it anywhere, so I told them to ask Pavelina is her name, from Rosea Drive, my essay. If you're looking for anything, or if you're looking for this, maybe give her a text, tell her I sent you, and maybe she can help you guys. I know she will help you guys because she has helped me so much. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about it or any video suggestions that you want me to do on this pouch, I will definitely do them. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night wherever you're in the world, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.